In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a permission set to a Salesforce user. This is a crucial task for managing user access and ensuring that team members have the appropriate permissions to perform their tasks effectively. So let's dive right in. First, we need to get into Salesforce and navigate to the setup area. You'll do this by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right corner. Once you see the menu drop down, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This is where all the settings and configurations are housed, allowing you to manage your Salesforce environment comprehensively. Once we're in the setup area, go to the Quick Find box, which is essentially a search tool that can help you locate specific settings or features quickly. Here, type in the word users, and in the search results that appear, click on users. This section lists all the users registered in your Salesforce instance. Next, look through your list of users to find the specific user to whom you want to assign a new permission set. Click on the user's name and it will take you to their detail page. This page contains all the information relating to that particular user's account, including credentials, roles, and already assigned permission sets. Now once you're on the detail page, you'll need to find the section labeled Permission Set Assignments. It's typically located somewhere in the middle or towards the bottom of the page. Once you locate it, you'll see an option labeled Edit Assignments. Click on that to open the Permission Assignment interface. In the editing interface, you'll be presented with two main lists. The list on the left displays available permission sets, while the list on the right shows enabled permission sets. Look for the permission set you want to assign in the available permission sets list. Once you have found the appropriate permission set, it's time to assign it to the user. Select it from the available permission sets list by clicking on it, then click the Add button, which will shift the permission set from the available list to the enabled permission sets list. Finally, the last step is crucial. Make sure you click the Save button. By doing so, you'll save your changes and successfully assign the permission set to the user. Forgetting to save can mean your efforts go to waste and the permission set will not be applied. And there you have it, you've now mastered how to add a permission set to a Salesforce user. This simple yet important process ensures that user permissions are aligned with their roles and responsibilities, streamlining operations and maintaining secure access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Feel free to reach out for any questions or leave comments for further assistance.